fire. Span it. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to an evening in my 350Z. Today we are following Georgie in her Mark 1 Focus RS. We don't know what the turnout's going to be today, so we shall see. So we're going to get there, we're only 9 minutes away. So let's see, let's see. The RS is looking good in the evening, the Imperial Blue shining. Oh, off they go. Because you can't hear it above my car. And here we are, and boy do we know that we have arrived. So here we are, and tonight I am trying out the new YFood coffee vegan flavour who have sponsored this video. So YFood has a whole new vegan range. This one's coffee, but I also have with me berry and banana. So this will be my dinner tonight. It can be breakfast or lunch because it fills you up for between 3 to 5 hours. It's a food supplement for when you're on the go like I am at these evening car shows. So that made a funny sound. That's delicious. That is a coffee flavoured YFood, but there's no dairy and it's gluten free too. But if you're not specifically after a vegan flavour, you can try out some of their brand new flavours too, such as apple cinnamon and creamy cookie, which I tried out in the last video and really like. So if you want to get a YFood for yourself, give it a try. Use my discount code of Adam10 to get 10% off your order, and there's a link in the video's description to try out all the flavours. And now we're going to try out this meat, see how good it is. So let's have a look. Oh, lights. You're going home already, guys? It's only just begun. And of course, bring Niels back with the green Focus ST. It sounds like an E55 AMG has turned up. That's flames. That's definitely flames. Starting to leave for another location. There's an R32 Golf now, beyond the focus of the neons. So it seems they've released another location which is sheltered because, as you may have noticed, it started raining. So cars are leaving just up here. There's a lot of Fords tonight. So we'll capture a few departures and then just wander down. Oh my God. Alright, how are you doing? So I'm going to leave my car here. We're going to hop into the mighty Accord, also an S13 turned up, and head to the other location and see what goes on. Oh, my camera's steamed up. It's getting warm in here. Here is Asda. It's under shelter, but you can't see. Oh, we've gone past it. Seems the whole car meet has drawn attention to themselves by revving and beeping. We've parked out of the way for that very reason. That would be the R32 Golf. Sorry to everyone. Oh my days. There's people in the balconies above us chatting about annoyances, about the sounds. Let's go. CSI crime scene investigation. Let's see what's going on. What's the point? Why? What's going on? I'm going to wipe my lens. So we've got people in the balcony up there getting very annoyed as to the fact that the horny people are in the car park. Oh, there we go. Oh, the Mini has neons. The iGo's wipers are dancing. And there are many lights on this. Oh, I can't see it. And someone's still horny. There we go. There they are. Lighting up the night. There's vans everywhere. And sounds. The mini exhaust. Have a look at it. The mini exhaust. Why draw attention to the meat? What's the point? I've been told to check out the exhaust on this Mini. Oh, there's 3 of them. Come out the exhaust. There's other exhausts underneath the car. There, that's where they come out of. These aren't the real exhausts. Oh, someone's alarm's going off now. Oh dear. It's the Focus ST, of course it is. I can just hear some tyre squeals and see the smoke. It's a BMW down the ends. I'm glad he's got his hazards on for safety purposes. Someone else has decided to shoot some flames, as you can hear. Oh my god. It seems we're all leaving for another location. The E55 is revving behind me. Yep, we're going to capture that. There's some people dancing on some compost, obviously. Let's do what we always do and go to the exit and film the departures. Oh, he's got lights on the wheels as well, on the Focus. Talking of lights, that's lighting up the nights. Wow. Oh, yes. A lot of effort's gone into that. There goes the Golf R7. Whoa! Asda came out of nowhere there. There goes the Golf R. Yeah. A delayed horn sounds. Thanks for that. YOLO! Right, the BMW gang's all leaving now. He's off. Lexus is going too. And some horns. Some people were saying some words, I don't know who. EP3. Time for the E55 to make some noise. And time for me to try and find them now, because we're going to go to the third location or fourth. I'm lost. Oh. From out of nowhere. So we've been convoying with a good few of the cars from the meet, and we're just arriving at an industrial estate, and it seems like either we can't get in or there's a queue to get in. What is going on here? There's a transit parked on the roundabout, or somewhere near the roundabout. We're trying to park up somewhere near the roundabout as well. There's people walking through a puddle. Oh, Sunday nights. Oh. Hello. Oh, they have a new location again. This is what's left of what I think was an attempted location. So a new convoy of cars and another location. There's an M2 in front. We shall see. So cars are pulling into there, but we're going to go into here, so we're out of the way. So we have a convoy entering. Here is the industrial estate, and I've just stepped on a patch of grass. Lovely. Sounds like there's a diesel E46 doing some skids around this roundabout in front of. There he goes. Whoa! It's quite speedy. That is quite some speed. He's got it. He's got fireworks. They have fireworks so everyone knows where we are. Not very loud either. Oh, one went that way. I think these guys have set the bush on fire and they're running away. Flames! Oh yes. That was launch control on the grass. He's a different driver now. Oh, he span it. But where can I start? So much content, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights and photos from these meets that we go to. But for now, thanks for watching.